This quick tutorial video is going to show you how to set up a group in Google. Anytime you're in one of the apps, you'll notice the black bar across the top. If you click on Groups, it'll take you to a new window and it'll open up with a General Groups tab, and you can see your groups down the left hand side, and you'll see My Groups or whatever. You can click the Create Group tab. When you do that, you get to name your group. So I'm going to call this the Dublin Google group. And I'm going to notice that it gives it an email address so that we can email the group and everyone will be able to see it. But it has that -grp at the end, so I'm going to take group off of this because it's a little bit redundant. This group is for adopters of Google Apps for Education in Dublin City Schools. And we'll have that for anybody that wants to join. We'll leave it as an email list. There are some other choices: web forum, question answer forum, those kinds of things, but we're going to leave this one as an email list. We are going to see who can view topics. The managers of the group can view, all members of the group can view, but I'm going to take off all organization members because I only want people that want to join to see the stuff that's in there. So I'm going to change that setting. I'm going to go in here and take off again all organization members, just so that we can control who gets to post into the group and then who gets to join the group. Anyone in the organization. No, I'm going to make it anyone in the organization can ask to join the group. That way those people can ask to join. We've now done that. Now we're going to create the group. At that point, we've created the group. We can invite people to join the group. So I'm going to ask Scott to join since I know he's going to be here when we go ahead and get started. So I can send an invitation. I'll probably send an invitation to everybody that takes our courses. So there's how you create a group with Google Groups so that we can send an email to the group and everyone can see it and reply to it. Once you join the group, you can go into your group settings. You can find your group. Here's the Dublin Google group. If I go up here to this little guy, I can manage my settings. If I go in there, I can go to membership and email settings, and I can control how much email I get. I can get updates never, I can get daily updates, I can get combined updates, all that kind of stuff. I like this send daily summaries, so as things are going on I can get a summary. If things are really moving along, I can ask for more frequent or less frequent types of things. But that's the setting that I like. I also set it to automatically subscribe me to email updates when I post something. So if I post a topic and somebody replies to it, I get an email immediately about that. So here is something that I can use with my Google group. Then I hit save, and my settings are ready for me to go. I can always come back to those and change those settings. That is also where I can leave a group if I decide that that group is no longer a part of what I need to look for.